Want to know how the top 1% of salespeople save time while building their prospect lists? In this video, I'm going to share with you their secrets and help you spend almost zero time building your list and almost 100% of your time building customer relationships. Imagine this. You've just narrowed down your ideal customer profile and you head to LinkedIn or Yelp to go do some research and start building your list. You start copying and pasting each individual search result, or maybe you have to open up each result in a tab to go deeper into it. It can be so frustrating and a massive drain on your time and productivity. That's where Magical's transfers from search results comes to the rescue. Here's how it works. Just go to LinkedIn or Yelp, conduct a search with whatever keywords you need, and you'll see all the data that you need show up in Magical's panel. Then click transfer and move that information into a spreadsheet. There you go, all your data in one convenient place. With transfers now available for search results, you can scrape search result data in seconds. So what does it mean for you? The outcomes are truly game-changing. You'll be able to save an incredible amount of time while you're doing your research. And it could be prospect research or it could be competitive research. You'll transform search results into actually useful information. So don't miss out on this awesome time-saving hack. It'll help transform you to the top 1% salesperson on your team. Just click the link below to install Magical, or if you already have it installed, try this out by going to LinkedIn or Yelp and doing a search. It'll allow you to truly turn your search results into useful data, and all in one click. Happy selling, and here's to more efficient customer interactions.